In this video, I'll show you how to add a pre-order feature in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to click on Products and Services. Now, under Products and Services, you want to head over to Products. And in here, it will show you all of the products that you have. Now, in order for you to add pre-order within your products, what you need to do is change the element that is related to a pre-order. To do that, you want to simply hover on your product in which you want to add a pre-order, and on the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And down below, you want to click Edit. Now from here, the first step is to add pre-order on your product name. To do that, simply head over to your product name, add a space, and you can add a opening and closing parentheses, and in between that should be pre-order. You want to make sure to add the pre-order either at the last or at the first part of the product name in order for your customers to know that this is a pre-order. The second step is to add pre-order within the description. If you simply head over and click on your description, you can simply say at the very top, this is a pre-order product. Now, the next step is to change your button text. Instead of an add to cart or a checkout, you want to change this to pre-order. Now, at the bottom, you can even change the additional info. So if you click on your additional info, in here, you can even add a pre-order above. Now, if you scroll down, you can also add a pre-order image if that is something that you also want to do, and make sure whenever you want to add a pre-ordered product. And what you could also do is under the organization tab, this is for you, you want to set a category for a pre-order. So simply head over to categories on the right hand side, click on the arrow going to the right. And from here, you want to add a pre-order category. Now on the right hand side, simply click on add. And once you do that, you want to make sure that on the right-hand side of the pre-order category, you make sure that it is checked. Once that's done, simply head over to the top and left corner and click on Done. Once you're satisfied with all of the changes, you want to head over to the top and right corner and click on Save. Now on my website preview, whenever I scroll down to the product, as you can see, it is now considered as a pre-order. And if I click on the product, you will see that I can simply click on pre-order instead of checkout or add to cart. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.